what are some dependency injection anti-patterns?
So I would say the biggest one is the ambient context that I see.
In iOS, yes.
In iOS, yes. It's like this idea that global mutable state is fine, and it should be preferred to constructor injection.
So ambient context, it's those kind of environment, global variables where you can replace like a database, a network stack. It's pretty much a singleton, but with a mutable shared instance. So it's worse than a singleton. It's like the URL cache shared instance that we mentioned, that if you change it in the wrong time, you're going to have unreliable caching throughout the system. It has temporal coupling. It's hard to maintain. It's hard to develop. A small change in a part of the system, one single line of code, can break completely unrelated modules. Come on, we can do better than that.
If that doesn't signal something to you, I don't know. Like, yeah, it's bad.
So ambient context is very similar to the singleton pattern, right? You have a shared global instance that you can access anywhere, but it can be replaced.
Yes.
At runtime. Dangerous.
Exactly.
Some people call it context, environment, whatever. Any kind of global way of injecting dependencies is an anti-pattern.
Yeah.
Because you're accessing the dependency directly to this global pointer. Constructor injection should be preferred. And when you do it, you move all the dependency injection to the composition root.
Yes.
And that's how you manage the dependencies in a clean way. That's how you create modular systems. Otherwise, you have monoliths. Even if you have frameworks, but every framework depends on the other framework, it's a monolith. You get all the downsides of separating frameworks, the hard to maintain setups, but none of the upsides.
Yeah. You end up with spaghetti code and spaghetti architecture by design. That's the problem, like.